Hello, I'm James Butler from Program Framework. I'm here at the Project Controls Expo at the Arsenal Stadium. I'm here today with Greg Bailey, our partner from ProSymmetry.
Thank you very much, James. I'm really excited to be here to talk to everybody. Today's the second week we've been here launching Tempus in the UK, and the response has been incredible. I think there's been a lot of requirements for resource portfolio management, and so I think the whole what-if simulation really has gotten people excited here for Tempus.
Can you tell us a bit more about Tempus and how it works and how it optimizes resources?
So in essence, what Tempus does is it allows organizations that have resources and projects in their portfolio to be able to run real quick, real-time simulations. So a lot of companies might have PPM tools. We are basically our RPM tool, or resource portfolio management. So we can either pull data in from another tool, or they can enter data directly into Tempus as if they were doing it into spreadsheets.
That's absolutely fabulous. Is there any way the tool can advise me what I need to do in terms of optimizing my portfolio?
That's a great question, and that's one of the key things that we built into the tool, because we wanted to be able to not only present data or reports to people, but also to provide actual alternatives or suggestions on how they should fix their portfolio. And that's built in with Tempus with the optimizer capability.
What options are there for importing data?
So we can, again, bring data in from another PPM tool, and there's lots of them out there, such as Microsoft, Project Online. Also, we have a very easy Excel import utility that we can bring in data from, or other external systems we can pull data in as well. Or, again, you can use it standalone, so users can actually enter the data in if they're not using a project tool.
If I've got all my resources configured in my PPM tool, will that configuration from the resources come into this tool?
Yes. So again, we have real-time live connections with those other PPM tools. And so once they're now into Tempus, you can literally start going, what if I need to move this project out? What will that do to my resources? You might want to ask a question, when can I start this project? Tempus will automatically allow you to do that. So it really allows, I would call it software that thinks like you do. So asking these questions, it's going to give you those answers that you're looking for.
What other options, other than just compressing the project, can I model inside the tool?
Yeah, so you can either compress a project, so say I have to crash a schedule, or what if you want to simulate adding some additional full-time equivalents? What if you wanted to simulate your budget being decreased by 10%? We can do all those kind of simulations. And again, one of the powerful things about Tempus is it's offered a couple of different ways. We can either have users use it as a software as a service through the web, or they can install it on their servers in their organization. And again, we're really excited about partnering with you, because you're our UK partner and you're very familiar with doing these kind of implementations. And again, I think all the customers that came by the booth today are really excited about it.
What would I do next if I need to implement Tempus?
Yeah, so a couple of different options. A lot of users will come and say, hey, I'd like to get a trial of Tempus. Those are obviously available. We also make available really detailed white papers and also demonstrations that we can do. So again, we try to make it very easy for the customer to know this product's going to be a perfect fit for their organization.
Thanks, Greg. If you do want to find out more about the Tempus product, please see the information on the screen now.